What you need is a plate, a bowl of milk, food coloring, dishwashing soap, which I already poured in this little cup, and some Q-tips.
Yeah.
First, we start off to keep some milk. Next, we add some food coloring. Let's see, you keep these two, I keep these two. Now let's keep the food coloring. Wow. You can keep how much food coloring you want. There's no rules. We're using all these colors. Next, let the dishwashing drip. Yeah, it's getting all swirly and cool. See, this part is really cool. It's changing color like an elevator. And that part is going like that too. Wow. This is the coolest experiment I've ever seen. Why is this happening? Is because the milk has lots of fat and protein. When you add the soap chases all the milk all around where it goes. And when that happens, a chemical reaction starts to happen. That's why you see these cool color patterns. Ooh. Ooh, this is the world of colors. Ooh, I'll do one and the blue, one and the blue, one and the blue. Wow, right? Yeah, we made this experiment. It's really cool. Cocoa beans, cocoa beans, cocoa. Cocoa beans, cocoa beans, cocoa beans. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. And this experiment is really easy, you see. But you need mom or dad for help.